everyone, my name is Allison. The field placement that I'm currently going into is at a pediatric-based hospital at one of their satellite locations for a grant-funded program that they back. Um, I'm hoping to get an increased exposure into more of the therapeutic practice of what we've learned about and to continue to grow my confidence within this area. In my previous field experience, majority of my interactions with the patients was kind of limited, also with their caregivers. I sat a great deal in with a lot of meetings, interagency meetings, any judicial type of meetings, transitional based meetings, saw a lot of the back end type of things. And it was a little limited to where I felt it should be, but at the same, it was very much within my comfort zone. So it was kind of nice for me to learn and absorb so much. The previous facility also had individuals it was an in-pace crisis hospital, and the individuals needed to have an ASD or ID diagnoses to be admitted. This is completely different for the current placement. My current placement will be at a outpatient type of facility where individuals willingly come in and seek treatment and are allowed to leave. Even though it was a trauma-focused type of environment, where being a stabilization of the individual in my previous field placement, there was not so much classic CBT or trauma-informed CBT going on. So I feel like if I get more exposure at this facility, it may help with my confidence in interacting with patients in the future that I may interact with, and also help ease some of my current anxieties with practicing the methods that we've all learned, not just in CBT, but some of the other implementations of them. I'm also curious to learn a little bit more within the legal realms with certain things. Some of these individuals will be interacting and seeking treatment through us are considered minors, although within this program and within some of the mental health field, they are classified to be able to give their own consent to treatment. So learning some of those information, learning a lot of that information and backing some of that will be definitely interesting. One of the key things that I feel like similar between my field practice is that there is a broad range of ages that I'll be able to go in the clinic to be able to interact with. Again, there's a medical diagnosis required, not a mental health diagnosis to be part of this program for the patients, or they have to be at high risk to receive some of these services. The individuals are willingly seeking outpatient treatment. They're not being admitted against their will. They're not, I can't remember what it was, 504ing them or anything like that, where they have to be admitted for their own safety or safety of others. This is completely a outpatient-based treatment. Also, they interact with, there's a research section within this hospital and also the medical portion of it where the individuals are able to receive something, medication within the clinic base. So it's really interesting of how it'll be. Also, the individuals are required only to have a quarterly based meeting versus the individuals in my previous one were weekly family and weekly individual, daily group sessions. It was very intense compared to where the current outpatient facility is not so demanding on the individual. This program that I'm going to be affiliated with also has more community-based outreach. And they also support the individuals out into the community. Where prior to, again, it was an in-pace crisis hospital. So it was very limited to have the individuals out within the community-based setting where I was actually interning. It was an inpatient unit. So this will be a whole new experience of interacting them, learning how to support them within the community, and figuring out actually public transportation for myself. So this is something brand new for me too. So I'm kind of excited. I'm going to see where it's going, and I hope we all get to talk soon.